Welcome friends to this overview of the Jaws course launched by Snehankit Helpline jointly with Prishni. I am Sameer Latey, your instructor for this course. We have often heard that Tally is inaccessible for the blind. However, in this course, we are going to teach you how to use Tally screen reader with the JAWS software. For this, the prerequisites are that you should have Tally ERP 9.1 or higher up to ERP 9.6. You should have JAWS version 2020 or higher. You should have basic knowledge of accounts and basic navigation skills in JAWS. In this course, we are going to teach the basic functions of Tally, which will enable you to work at par with your sighted colleagues. In the initial session, we are going to see an overview of the Tally screen, followed by how to navigate with the JAWS cursor. Now, the JAWS cursor is unfamiliar to many JAWS users, long-time JAWS users also. Therefore, we will be showing how to navigate with it. After that, we shall be going to the creation of a company topic in Tally, where we shall see how to create a company, how to modify its data, etc. Then we shall go to the masters fields in Tally. The masters fields has two parts: accounts info, which has groups and ledgers, and inventory info, which deals with stocks. In accounts info, we shall be having two sessions of groups and ledgers. Similarly, in inventory info, there shall be three sections: stock groups, units of measure, and stock items. Then we shall go to the transactions part, where we will cover accounting vouchers. We will be covering 6 accounting vouchers, which are most widely used, namely the receipt voucher, the payment voucher, the contra voucher, the journal voucher, the purchase voucher, and the sales voucher. And at the last, we shall be covering reports. We will cover 3 of the main reports in Tally, that is balance sheet, profit and loss account, and trial balance. At the end of the course, there is a 7th section, which is a practical test to verify whether you have followed the course and whether you can work independently on your own. At the end of the course, if you submit towards the final test and score more than 50%, then we will be issuing you a course completion certificate. Thank you.